What's up? It's your boy Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Today, I'm going to test the theory of using Coca-Cola to clean off a battery terminal. I want to actually see if it works. Obviously, I'm going to have to wash the truck off afterwards. It is my personal 17 Duramax. Check this out. Look. The negative terminal is super corroded. So, we just got back from Chick-fil-A. The Lord's Chicken. If you guys haven't had Chick-fil-A, you're totally missing out. I don't know what the hell y'all are doing. But we're gonna take Coca-Cola and we're gonna pour it onto the battery terminal. Oh, let's go. I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but I'll do a second video, or I'll make this into a dual video and then see if it works. So a little bit more Coca-Cola. All right, boys, we got it coated with some Coca-Cola. We're going to let it sit on here. I'm going to let it sit on here for at least a couple hours to see what happens. It's on my freaking, look. 17 Duramax. Hey, Coca-Cola on the battery, no big deal. I just want to test this theory and see if it works. See if it actually eats the battery, or see if it eats the corrosion off the battery terminal. Anyway, I'll update you guys shortly, let you guys know what's happening. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys click the subscribe button in the bottom right corner of this video. Click that bell notification, let you guys know when your boy Mark over at Deluxe goes live. Let's go.